So let's solve this example. Y equal x raised to the power of square root of x. We need to find the derivative. So the solution. Can you folks advise me what to do here based on what you learned so far?
Well, I would look at it by multiplying both sides by natural log. Then I can apply, I don't remember what rule it is. Okay, apply rule 3, and I wind up with natural log of y equals x to the 1/2 times ln of x.
I agree. The language, though, you don't multiply by the natural log. Natural log is an operator, is a function. Okay. So you apply the natural log to both sides. The comment I made here, and this is something I mentioned, but I'll talk some more probably on Monday. This is not a power function. Okay, so people have the tendency to apply the power rule because it's the most convenient differentiating rule, but that's applied only to a power function where you have x to the power of n, x to the power of a number. This is x to the power of a function of x. So it's not a power function. But what you said is, let's apply the natural log to both sides. So now you have the natural log of y equals the natural log of x raised to the power square root of x, like so, right? And this, we can still apply the this property number 3, so we have square root of x, natural log of x, and now we differentiate both sides. So we have y prime over y, which is the derivative of the natural log of y. And here we need to use the product rule, right? So the product rule on the left, the derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x, we talked about it earlier today, times the natural log of x plus square root of x times 1 over x. Okay, so if we work a little bit here, so we have natural log of x over 2 square root of x plus 1 over square root of x. The reason I'm doing it is I want to do a common denominator here, and my common denominator will be 2 square root of x. So I have natural log of x plus 2 on top. So this is y over y prime, y prime over y prime by itself will be, and I'm going to write it as, well, natural log of x plus 2. I'd rather write it as 2 plus natural log of x because I don't want you to think that 2 is part of the argument here. So I'll do it on the next statement. And then I need to multiply it by y. Okay, and y is this thing. So let's write it as 2 plus natural log of x over 2 square root of x times x to the power of square root of x, like so.